Blue's Clues U Junior Table Chair Set. Folding children's table chair set. Includes one kid chair with non-skid rubber feet, padded seat, sturdy metal construction. If you'd like a copy of the manufacturer's warranty for a product found on Amazon.com, you can contact the manufacturer directly or visit their website for more information. Manufacturer's warranties may not apply in all cases, depending on factors like the use of the product, where the product was purchased, or who you purchased the product from. Please review the warranty carefully, and contact the manufacturer if you have any questions. Top reviews from the United States. Our toddler loves it. Great for playtime and mealtime. Our 1-year-old loves it. The colors are vibrant, and the product is durable and easy to wipe down. She fits in the seat perfectly, and it appears she should for a couple more years as well, and the sturdiness of the seat and table give me confidence they will last her a couple of years. For reference, she is 3 feet tall and about 30 pounds. Also practically no assembly required, very basic to unfold and fold back up to hide away when not in use. Only thing to be mindful of, we had to get non-slip rubber feet for the table, because it would slide around on our wood floors very easily, but that is expected since it is very lightweight and the feet on it are plastic. Very happy with this purchase overall.